Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to send money using Revolut 2026. First, open the Revolut app on your device and log in your account. Then go to Payments section at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. You will see several options for sending money, such as to a Revolut user, a bank recipient, a card recipient, a group, international transfers, payment links, or even donations. If you want to send money to a bank account, select Bank Recipient. Now enter the required details. Choose whether it is an individual or business account, then select the recipient's country and currency. After that, enter their IBAN international bank account number, along with their first and last name. You can also add an email if needed. Once everything is filled in, tap Add Recipient. Next, enter the amount you want to send. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you want to send money from and add a reference if required. Then, tap Continue. Finally, carefully review all the details, including the IBAN, amount, and fees, and tap Confirm and Send. That's how you send money using Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.